Queimada Grande Island, located in the Atlantic Ocean near the coast Brazil, can be a real nightmare for people who are afraid of snakes. However, even if you are not afraid of these, you'll never have reptiles anyway. Get to this place because the countries ban entry there, and here's why. The fact is that on the island of Queimada Grande, one of the most dangerous species of snakes lives, Island Bothrops. Island Bothrops belong to the family of poisonous snakes. Their body length varies from 70 to 100 dm. Color may be light brown or yellow with triangular or square spots. These snakes are their bite is dangerous to human health, causes rapid tissue necrosis and acute renal failure and various internal bleedings. Think now you understand why the authorities' entry is strictly prohibited territory of the island. In dense forests, Queimada Grande is inhabited by more than 10 Island Bothrops. So big number of snakes on the island with a small area due to the fact that about 11 years ago, at the end of the Ice Age period, they were cut off from mainland. On this island, there is no mammals, therefore animals, it is very difficult to get food. They feed mainly on birds and insects. Despite restrictions, tourists are still trying to enter the island territory, ignoring the fact that the bite of these snakes may be fatal. The Mariana Trench is the most deep groove on the ground. Deepest part of the trench is called the Abyss Challenger, and its depth reaches almost 11 kilometers below sea level. The Mariana Trench is located in the western part of the Pacific Ocean, near the island Guam, and from the Mariana Islands. She has crescent shape, whose length is 2,540 kilometers, and the width is 69 kilometers. The place remained for a long time practically unexplored because pressure at the deepest point of the gutter exceeds sea level pressure in 1,000 times. However, now scientists own modern research tools and study ecosystems of the depression. Thanks to this, we are learning more and more information about this fantastic place. Surprisingly, water temperature in deep sea trough can rise to 4 degrees Celsius. This due to the presence of a large number hydrothermal vents, such as at a depth of 1.6 kilometers, are located like this, called black smokers. These hydrothermal vents shoot out jet heated to a temperature of 450 degrees Celsius. This water is rich in minerals and very important for maintaining life deep sea inhabitants. Despite that, in the depths of the Mariana Trench there is no sunlight enters and pressure seems uninhabitable. They're inhabited by a large number of different living organisms. For example, at a depth of up to 1,500 meters live jellyfish, goblin sharks, and with a hatchet, octopuses, sponges, and osdas. But there is life in deeper waters, 2 areas of the gutter. Just imagine, on monstrous depth of more than 10,000 meters, single-celled sea-no organisms live. Full names. Moreover, they have no microscopic dimensions. Of incredible reason, under these conditions they were exposed gigantism and grew to 10 centimeters in diameter. Deep sea Mariana ecosystem. The depressions prove once again how amazing and unpredictable ours with you planet. Cape Melville Peninsula is located on east coast of the Cape Peninsula, York, in Australia. This place was opened Lieutenant Charles Jefferson in 1815 year and named Cape Stony, but later was renamed Melville, being part of the Australian National Cape Melville Park, to the territory of which also includes 2 more islands. Cape Melville is unique for its huge boulders which, like a wall, protect the untouched wild nature from fires and other negative factors. For a long time these stones provided opportunities to conduct research in this area. There is therefore a zone of dense called tropical forest lost in the world. In 2013, scientists from James Cook University with National Geographic Channel team went on an expedition to the top of the cape. As soon as the researchers got into the forests, Melville opened a new one to their eyes unexplored world, the inhabitants of this area. Scientists admit that they were delighted with their discoveries. During several days' stay on site Melville Ridge, they managed to open completely new plant species and animals. The first to be discovered was an unusual. The gecko was about 20 centimeter long. It had a long elongated body and large eyes. This species of gecko was named leaf-tail gecko. Then scientists discovered small light brown spotted frogs who were hiding in huge cracks boulders. This species was named pale brown frog, and another find of researchers, a new species of brown lizard has emerged named Fui-shade king. Except animals, scientists also discovered completely new plant species. All these representatives, flora and fauna, are endemic to the Cape Melville. And that's all I have. If you like this, I liked the video, don't forget to rate it, subscribe to the channel and click on bell. For me, your activity is the best reward. Thank you for your attention.